Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a hot topic that's been making waves recently: Trudeau's tax-free grocery promise. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that affects every single Canadian, regardless of age, income, or location: groceries. Specifically, we're going to explore Trudeau's tax-free grocery promise and what it means for us, the consumers. Whether you're a fan of Trudeau or not, this promise is too significant to ignore, and it's essential we understand what's at stake. When we think about grocery shopping, we often think about the weekly essentials like milk, bread, and vegetables. But have you ever stopped to consider how much of your hard-earned money goes towards taxes on these everyday items? It's staggering, and it's no wonder Canadians have been calling for change. Trudeau's tax-free grocery promise aims to do just that: remove taxes on certain grocery items to make them more affordable for Canadians. The problem with grocery prices is that they're steadily increasing, and it's not just a matter of supply and demand. Factors like transportation costs, labor costs, and yes, taxes, all contribute to the final price we pay at the checkout. Trudeau's promise is meant to address this issue by removing the tax burden from certain grocery items, making them more affordable for Canadians who need it most. But here's the thing: not everyone is convinced this promise will deliver on its claims. Critics argue that removing taxes won't necessarily lead to lower prices, as retailers may simply absorb the tax savings as profit. Others argue that the promise doesn't go far enough, as it only targets a limited range of grocery items. So, what does the fine print say, and who will really benefit from this promise? At its core, Trudeau's tax-free grocery promise is meant to help low and middle-income families who struggle to make ends meet. The idea is that by removing taxes on essential items like fruits, vegetables, and bread, these families will have more money in their pockets to spend on other essential items. But what about small business owners who rely on grocery sales to stay afloat? Will they benefit from this promise, or will they be left in the dust? Now, let's get one thing straight. Justin Trudeau has never made a promise about tax-free groceries. In fact, he's been quite clear that the GST applies to all purchases, including groceries. So, why the confusion? Well, it seems that some people have been misinterpreting a comment made by Trudeau during the 2015 election campaign. He mentioned that the GST is applied to all purchases, but he didn't specifically mention groceries. So, there you have it, the truth behind Trudeau's tax-free grocery promise. As always, we appreciate your support, and we hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.